Okay, so we are here with the MCX5 mill. Jay, if you could please just give us a quick rundown of this mill.
Sure thing. It's this is inLab MCX5. It is a wet-dry mill. It's 5-axis and has open STL. It can fit any 98.5 millimeter disc in up to 30 millimeters in height, and it also can mill ceramic as well using this ceramic block holder.
Okay.
You can mill 6 units at a time. Let's say you want to mill overnight or something like that.
Sure.
You can load them all up, or just one at a time.
So Emax blocks can fit in this, and this mill.
Correct.
Will
Emax,
wonderful.
Celtra, Vita, Empress, anything that has a mandrel, even the old zirconia blocks you can put in here as well.
All right, great. So just to, on the record, this is an open mill where it can accept any STL file.
Correct. Our CAM software, all you have to do is click New Item, and it could be a 3-shape design or exocad design, anything. Just go ahead and import that STL and mill it out.
Okay, wonderful. And for as far as milling zirconia, you said it's a 98.5 millimeter
Correct.
puck, correct? And what is the thickest puck that this one can take?
Up to 30 millimeters.
30 millimeters, so it can be full arches, no problem.
Correct.
Okay. Approximately how long does it take to mill 1 crown?
Zirconia maybe about 18 minutes.
18 minutes, okay.
And you do have different production types as well. So if you're doing a coping, you can choose it to mill a little bit faster versus a full contour crown.
Sure.
So the time does vary. You can mill a little bit faster in 18 minutes if you really want to.
Okay, so more emphasis on the wet and dry, being a versatile mill. If you're milling wet, you can switch over to zirconia right away without any drying or cleaning.
Correct. You don't have to really do anything. The software, you may have to change out the magazine on the inside that carries the burrs, but that's about it. The software knows just to turn on the water if you're doing a wet mill versus a dry mill.
Oh, so the software will know exactly what type of indication it's milling, whether it be wet or dry.
Correct.
Okay, wonderful. Are you using it more for wet milling or just dry milling?
We probably do maybe 40 zirconia units a day, and I have 2 of them in each one. And then we also mill overnight with them, so we'll load up a puck or an all-on-4 or something like that and mill it overnight. We also do surgical guides. It can mill surgical guides, so we'll do 1 a day maybe. Temporaries, long span temporary bridges. Usually Emax and Celtra I'll mill my MCXL because mills it in 12 minutes. So I don't usually use this for my ceramics, but I use it for temporaries, wax, you can mill wax copings, surgical guides. So I'd say 80% dry, 20 wet.
So being a 5-axis mill, I imagine you've probably done some screw tank crowns or all on 4s. Any problems or troubles milling those types of more complex cases?
No, I mean it can go up to, I believe it's 30 degrees in angle.
Insertion angles?
Insertion angles. So really, the software will let you know when you're designing or in the CAM software, it'll show you the areas that are not going to mill out or might have issues, but really can mill almost anything.
Great. Okay, well thank you for that rundown and overview of the MCX5. Thank you for joining us, everyone.
Thank you.